Today I'm going to show you how to grab specific articles and save them so that if you get logged out of ProQuest, you know how to get back into them. So here are some results. I'm checking the ones that I want out of this list of 12. I'm taking 3, and I'm going to go up to the top and see where there's a folder saved to my research. You're going to use that. Now, presumably you haven't set up an account yet, so go to create an account, enter your email address, put in a password, confirm the password, and consent. All right, then you can go ahead and create your account. Now you can save that to your laptop if you're on a laptop and close that window. And then you'll see that your 3 articles have been saved, which is great. So now what you can do, if you want to cite all 3 of them, you can go to Cite and it will create citations for all 3 of those articles and put them in alphabetical order. Having said that, beware, because once you start using the database citations, you'll see that they're full of mistakes. So right now I'm moving. They didn't even bother putting in the Los Angeles Times. ProQuest is in the place where the publication title should be. So I'm moving ProQuest, writing in Los Angeles Times, and then I'm going to copy and paste that into all 3 of the citations. They've put the date out of sequence, and now I've got to mess with the punctuation and put things in the right order, so I'm doing that. I'm doing it again in September. They don't put in the T for the 4th letter, which they need to do. Now here, I'm going to double check to make sure that my titles are capitalized, and I go to capitalizemytitle.com in order to do that. So I just copy the title, bring it over to capitalize my title, paste it, and then copy it again and bring it back. It's a pretty cumbersome process, but it really does a pretty good job. Once in a while I screw up and you'll see that I made a mistake on this one, which I will find later. So now I'm reformatting my whole citation, my 3 citations, and oops, now I'm reviewing and I'm finding a few mistakes. So yep, ProQuest needs to be italicized. It's the 2nd container. And now I'm checking a few things, and I looked at that title, and this is one I told you about, and I was like, wait, something's wrong. I must not have copied and pasted correctly. It turns out there was some punctuation in there that kind of screwed up capitalized my title, but now it's fixed. I'm checking that one. Now I'm checking the last one, and I am all set.